Hey everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to DeShields Fields. I'm going to tell you a story. So, a few days ago, my potatoes got hit by the frost and it wasn't pretty. Okay, it was not pretty. I really thought my potatoes were going to be fine. I truly did because it got a little bit below 40, but I made sure to cover everything else that needed to be covered, and I did not cover my potatoes. So I'm going to rewind this a little bit to a few days ago when I discovered the damage. Hey everyone, so I'm actually kind of devastated. I'm going to have to show you what happened. So Monday night we had a cold snap and I did not cover up my potatoes. I honestly thought they would be okay. I thought they would be okay. I had to take a day because I looked out here yesterday and the leaves are brown, they're limp, they're not doing well. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to show you. This is what I have right now. My beautiful potatoes have gotten frostburn from the cold snap that we had the other night. Now, when I look closer, right, I do feel like some of these can bounce back because the stem is still green and firm, right? I needed to wait a little bit until I could see what was alive and what was dead. This one, I already know that I'm going to have to cut most of this back. I already know. But see, we have green. I touched the base there, it's still firm. This one, there's still some green. I touched the base, it's still firm. So basically, what I am coming up with is the bulbs underneath the soil is more than likely still good. There's a couple of these I'm a little concerned. No, this one, same thing. I'm just going to have to cut them back. This one too, still green, still firm. I think my mulch saved me. Here as well. These were pretty short to begin with, but see, look, this one's still green. We are going to have to show these. Well, not we. I am going to have to show these some tender love and care so that they can bounce back. I do think they can be saved. This is the next day, and I'm feeling better. I'm in a better mood. It is a beautiful day. We learn and we grow. I had some time to think about it, and we are going to set these potatoes up so that they can flourish. That's what we're doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and set you up so that you can watch me in this process. So we're going to start here. This one still feels firm, but this branch right here is it's weak. So we're going to go ahead and cut this back. Anything that's not looking good, we're getting it off. Just feeling how firm this one feels so I can try to determine how far I need to cut down. And we're just going to do the same thing for each of these. What's making me feel pretty good about this plant right here is that if you look along this stem, it actually has new buds starting to grow already. So I have no doubt this bag will do fine. I'm going to continue this process and then I will show you the progress once we're done. Here are our potatoes after they have a haircut. I think they're going to do fine. Now, what did we learn from this? I learned to cover my potatoes. Anytime the temperature gets below 40 degrees, I'm covering them. I don't care how crazy I look, I am covering my potatoes. They were flourishing, they were looking so nice, the leaves were so green, and we're still going to get back there. What I'm going to do now is keep a close eye on them. I'm going to keep them watered, not overwatered, but I'm going to water them. I'm going to definitely keep you updated. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get those notifications every time I upload a video, and you can stay tuned to my journey as we nurse the potatoes back to health. So don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Kelly with DeShields Fields. I look forward to growing with you, and I will see you in the next video.